Just one pang office.
Oy, walang Zara dito, ha?
Walang
Kids for Kobe. Point? Oh, this one? You like that one? Okay, let's ask. That's a restock. That's crazy. Guys, nagkanda loko-loko na. Hindi na namin alam gagawin namin.
ganda, loka na po. Guys.
Oh.
Hoy!
Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Wow, what's that, Mom?
Wow, surprise! Surprise!
Thank you.
Can I kiss you?
Kiss Mommy. Is it
Hi, my name is Kobe Kaya. My dada peaceful. Okay. Team Aboy!
We're going to Rinco Outlet today. Birthday rin ni Pum ngayon. Hindi naman kita. Ito yung mga stores sa Rinco. Mga hahanap natin dito mga pang golf tsaka pang office daw, sabi ni Mami Winona. Ayan si Mama. Ayan si Mama. Oh, look at it. Ayan si Mama and Dad. Ako na? I don't want na. I'll iwan you na. I'll iwan you na. Oh! You want in my back? Pero you're crying in my back. I don't want you to cry. Okay, can you promise me to stop crying? Where? In my back again? Okay, o sige. Okay. And that one? Oh, this mommy's turn? I don't have jacket. You buy me jacket over there na lang. I don't have jacket there. You're the only one crying. Look at the bata. Look at the bata. Nakakumot pa siya. See, nakakumot pa siya. Oh, ikaw, bibig ka na. He's a baby pa, oh. He's not crying. Oh, tingnan mo yung girl, oh. She's a baby. They're twins. They're twins. Oh, you're the only one crying. Chubby, you're the only one crying. Oh, look at them, oh. Look at them. They're just sitting on the grass. Oh, they're just playing their toys on the grass. You see? Oh, you're the only one. Oh, is he a cowboy? Is he a cowboy? That's a cowboy, Cody. That's a cowboy. Oh, that one is a cowboy. Say hi, cowboy. Oh, look at the kids over there, mga bata. They're sitting on the grass right here. They're sitting on the grass and they're playing with the toys. They're playing with the toys. toys, baby? They have your toy? You want to buy some toy? Oh, look, oh, they're playing with their daddy. Oh. Okay, medyo napakalma na si Kobe. Good job kami doon. Good job kami doon. Napakalma na namin si Kobe. Ayan sila. Hindi na nag-bulldog. So, makakapag-ikot na kami. I can see something silly. I can see something silly. Mom, Mommy, it's sale, oh. Buy 2. Ito yung fitting room nila. Pinapatanggal pa yung sapatos kasi naka-carpet. Sa atin, malikabok na eh. Okay, so nakabili tayo sa TaylorMade. Nakabili tayo 2 shirts, tapos mga tee-pad, tapos mga gloves for a price of one polo shirt sa Pilipinas. Katumbas yun ng isang polo shirt lang na TaylorMade sa Pilipinas. So grabe yung difference talaga dito. Grabe. Anong hinahanap mo, Mami?
Wala. Zara.
Zara?
I just want pang office.
Oy, walang Zara dito, ha?
Wala nga.
Pero mas maraming options yung TaylorMade sa Nagoya. Yung sa outlet na pinuntahan namin sa Nagoya, sa Maymie, kesa dito. Mas marami doon. Daming mga pang-golf dito. So merong Honma dyan, may Callaway dun sa kabila. Dami silang pang-golf dito. Pero hindi namin makita yung RL. Lalaro siya. Meron pa dito sa kabilang building. Tatawid ka. Ayun, oh. Tatawid. So mag-elevator kami dito. Mag-elevator kami dito. It's so lamig. Grabe. So, mag-elevator kami. Kasi yun, oh. Tatawid pa. Tatawid pa kung nakikita nyo. So pwedeng tumawid. Papunta dito sa kabilang side. Maraming nabili si Kobe sa RL. Yeah, you bought a lot of damit. Yeah. Tao talaga dito. So, sakto Saturday pa ngayon kaya ang dami talagang tao. Namimili. Tapos kanina sa food court. Nagawa ng table, nag-aabang na kami sa harapan nila mismo bago sila matapos. Nagagawa na namin. So, grabe talaga. Hindi ko sure kung malilibot ba ito ng isang araw. Isang daming stores eh. Tapos lahat syempre, bubusisiin mo eh. Tapos umabot ng 70% off. Tapos may mga additional discounts pa. As usual. Come on.
Kobe!
Aalis na po kami. Parang overpass lang sa Skuta, no? Ang ganda. Kids for Kobe. For kids. New Balance.
Ito, hindi ba maganda? Sakto
Sakto.
lang. Ito, totoong Air Max.
Kid Air Force Ones. For kids.
911C. Gusto mo, bilang na natin ang Birkenstock or masakit sa pa?
Ay, wala si Kobe.
Ay, bilisan na natin para makakita din ako ng ano sa
Point? Oh, this one? You like that one? Okay, let's ask.
What size is this?
Kobe.
Ah, 9K.
Kobe, is it thumbs up or thumbs down?
No, 10K. 10? Yeah, 10K. Hindi naman siya lagi na.
Pupito. Oops, sorry. Si Mami naman ngayon. Si Mami naman ngayon ang bibili. Si Mami naman ngayon ang bibili. Let's go. Okay. 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 This? Is it thumbs up or thumbs down? Thumbs down?
Ah,
Nice shoes, huh? Thank you. That's a restock. That's crazy. Guys, restock. This is a restock, guys. Only for 4 days. I'm lucky. I'm lucky. I'm lucky. Thanks. Thanks, man. Thank you. You're my lucky charm, bro. Bro. Guys, nag-restock siya only for 4 days. Sold out na to. Ang swerte ko. Ganda. Ganda. Ganda po. Siguro.
点ください。もう一個お願いします。 もう1個 SMU のアディダス SL72OG で一番大きいサイズ何センチ残ってますか？
Guys, nagkanda loko-loko na. Hindi na namin alam gagawin namin.
Ganda, loka na po.
Kami gagana kami dito. Hawakan mo.
ラス1だったらもうWe have only this one.
Oh,
Yes.
only that.
Green one. It.
Minsan lang ako bumili ng sapatos.
Bumili ka pa ng t-shirt. Bibili ka pa t-shirt.
Hindi ko alam, baka ay, cap na lang kaya kay dad.
Nagkakap ba siya? Hindi naman nagkakap si daddy eh.
Kain muna tayo. Kain muna tayo. Pwede naman tayo bumalik. What time do you leave? Yeah. Asan yung passport?
いきます。
Yun yung mga sa phone mo.
6点。
Arigatou gozaimasu. Let's eat. Saya siya. Ganda oh. Osaka Station. Guys, yan yung Osaka Station. Yan yung main station ng Osaka. Dito sa Japan, yung mga subway train stations nila, yun na rin yung mall nila. Ang laki nito oh. Ngayon ko lang nakita ito ng full. Yan na yata yung sa atin.
Ito?
Oh, yan. You have fun?
Mhm.
Okay. We'll eat na, okay? Thanks for waiting.
Thank you for waiting, ano?
Uber na kami, papuntang hotel. Nauna na sila mami at daddy kasi si Pumi tinignan rin eh. Ngayon, magdi-dinner kami.
You say yeah, Mom.
I say, yeah, silly boy.
Mommy, you say uh-huh.
Kobe, can you do this now?
I love you.
Wow! Uy, wow. Oh. How about daddy?
You ganon ka kay dad. Oh, dad. You
What?
put your...
Are you kissing me?
You put your...
Oh, this one.
No,
Kiss.
dad, you put your face on Kobe's
Oh.
hands. Ito, dad.
Where is
One
my
lang.
hotel? Where is my hotel?
We're going to the hotel.
Malapit na.
Malapit
Malapit na po.
What?
Gusto mo pa bang maglakad-lakad, anak?
Where is it?
Malapit na.
Where? I can see it.
Mag-aayos na tayo ng mga gamit.
I can see it. Where is it?
Where is it?
Mom,
Mm.
where is it? Uh-huh.
Aha. I like it.
No.
Oh.
Mag-aayos na tayo ng gamit. Upi. Ipa-flat natin lahat ng box ng
I like
sapatos.
it.
Aha.
No.
Malbon.
Oh.
Walang takip.
Oh.
Walang cover.
Cover.
Kit haring. Ano? Kit haring.
Having. Mommy, kiss.
No, not like that.
Mom. Mom. Nice.
Cheeks to cheeks.
Nice.
Cheeks to cheeks. Eyes to eyes.
Oh.
Hoy!
Ah. My baby.
Hoy, sa'yo yan. Cat's eye. It's cat's eye. 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 .
Mom. 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。 。 . 。
Hoy, sa'yo yan. Cat's eye. It's cat's eye.
Mom.
Wow, what's that, Mom?
Wow, surprise! Surprise!
Thank you.
Can I kiss you?
Kiss Mommy. Is it thumbs up or thumbs down?
Thumbs up.
Wow. Do you want to wear it? Do you want to wear it right away? Where's the other shoe, Mom?
Oh, I have another one. You wanna see? Oh.
Ta-da.
Sabi mo kay Mami faster. Tell Mami faster. Bilisan mo na, kaya na mo na pito. Andito na phone. Ah, sige, okay.
Thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Gerard Prince, thank you.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Gerald.
Wow. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hey.
Hindi ka man lang nag-thank you sa akin dito.
Seth. Hindi pinicturean ko yun nung hindi mo pa sinasabi sa akin na ikaw magbabayad.
Hello, my name is Papi Kayon. My dad is for a cake.